Take command of the road in the 2015 Dodge Durango. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like heated seats, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, front dual-zone air conditioning, heated door mirrors, a roof rack, and cruise control. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.